Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today I have a 2025 Toyota Crown. This goes for multiple years. This is a new model. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out. I believe these are LEDs, so you don't have to change a bulb, but we're going to look at that. So the first thing you have to do is subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. The second thing is you open the tailgate and you're going to see this little panel here. I'm going to stick a screwdriver or something in here lightly and pull it out. That popped right out. Believe me, it doesn't come out that easy. I already had it off. And then when you look in here, you're going to see a 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter here. So you may have to loosen the bumper to get the light out. I'm not sure. Or you have to take the light out to get the bumper off, reverse or whatever. So we're just trying to get the tail light out. Actually, I'm taking the bumper off to do repairs on the bumper, replace the bumper. So I'm going to start right there. But this will show you how to get that tail light out. There's usually a bolt or two here, and then there's little push pins in on the side. So once you get those bolts out, you pull it out. But if there's any behind here, you're going to have to take the bumper cover off. So I'm going to test it by taking these 10s out. I'm going to take this 10. Probably need to take that one. See if it loosens up. I'm going to take this one out. Why not? It feels like it holds this little back piece in. So I suspect we got to drop this bumper cover. Because, like I said, the bracket rides under there. So what I did was I took some push pins out here. There was a push pin in here. You pry it out with a screwdriver. And then you have to slide. You have to get in to this panel back here. And there's these clips here. You have to put pressure right in that center area and then pull. Then you go to the next one, then to the next one. And as you can see, this was not done correctly. The clip actually broke on this. So we did the other side and it didn't break. You gotta get that screwdriver in there and then pull it. They make them to break. They actually make them to break. So then we took a 10 millimeter out of here. You pull that, and then we're gonna get all the screws out on the bottom. There's either gonna be clips or screws. Once we get them all out on both sides, then we're going to pull the bumper cover back or off. So underneath you see these little push pins, and there's some 10 millimeters under here. So we're going to get a little screwdriver. I don't know if you can see that. Stick it in there. You want to wiggle that center pin out, or you could use a clip remover. I actually have a clip remover, but I like showing with a screwdriver because most people don't have a clip remover, but I may need to get it. Or you can get little dikes and you want to take that center pin out. Clip remover tool. I get a little bigger one. Like I say, you can use little dikes. Alright. There's four on this side here. I'm going to take all the clips out and all the bolts or screws that are in there, but I see 4 of these clips. Sometimes they break. Then you gotta be crafty on how you get them out. Alright, got all 4 of them out. Now over here there's some 10s. See if it'll pull back. Didn't show it, but you got to pull straight back real hard and it'll pop out. And in here is, let's see what we reveal. There is a 10 millimeter in there. This is a little bracket with the sensors. So I'm going to take them out and we'll see where that leads us. Now you got to watch these sensors here. You don't bang them, and try not to disconnect, because if you disconnect, you're going to pick a code up. All right, so now what you want to do is grab this. Grab under here, grab wherever, and pull back real hard. I can't film at the same time and do it, but it's very difficult. You got to really grab and wiggle. You might want to use two hands. You want to grab it over this side too. Well, that came out. I was able to do it with one hand. And so it's out. Now you just disconnect the wires to the light. If you're going to replace it, this little clip on the bottom comes off. You can look at it and see how it's done. But that's how the light's taken out. You can see these little pressure pins and the grommets that hold it in. Right there. There's the pressure pin. There's two. All right. So that's how it's done. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Hope this gave you a good idea. But unfortunately, you have to take this bumper down. You got to take this molding out. You got to watch you don't break those clips. Take the bolts out of here. All the clips on the bottom. The 10 millimeters on the bottom. Pull it out. Then you get access to the 3 screws under there. And then you pull it out real hard. And there you go. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master, doing this on the fly. I hope it helped.